After close to an hour and a half of rain and delay, the showers have stopped and we're about to go back racing. Oh, the leader's spin in turn one. Oh, watch it. Oh, the three's one of them. Oh, the leader, Joshua Leinbach, into the wall. Hold it up there. Caution flag comes out. This is huge in the championship. Yeah, we're wrecked, dude. You all right? Toe's destroyed. 3 took us out. I can try to drive it back. Steering looks messed up. I can see the... All right, I'm taking this thing behind the wall. Car's destroyed. We're down, but we're not out, guys. We're down, but we're not out. That was Joe Gibbs talking, trying to motivate the 18 team. And you can see the 18 team sprinting to the garage where they can greet their car, getting the crash cart out. Huge implications for probably one of the fastest cars here to spin hard into the wall. Hard into the wall. On the restart. And see it again. Coming back to the green. Looks like Morrison tries to get a good run. Get a really good run right here. The 18 tries to enter the corner, and it's his job to try to do everything in his power to keep other cars behind him. And this means taking the corner later, but unfortunately the 3 was right there. 3 into the wall. 18 harder into the wall. Now in real time. Ready? All right,